I guess it's time to head to the airport.
See the sky, see the clouds amongst the sun. See the day for everything it could be. Stop treading on that snooze button, run. Open your eyes and see everything it was, and is and will be all at once. See the truth, don't hide from others' love. Bask inside that alarm clock bug. We metaphysical. I alone am 10 people on the blunt. It's a physical. You're always dying and your death has yet to come. Open your eyelids. Swear outside of this lucid dream will come a silence. So keep dreaming, babies, and stay woke. But keep scheming, babies. Oh, it's a tidal wave of iPads and an alright pirate with an iPad.
Hey, we made it to the Atlanta airport.
Yes.
Getting ready for our flight to Miami, and then head to the hotel. Hopefully we get our upgrade for early check-in. That'll be awesome. And then we have dinner tonight.
Yep.
Which is going to be great. And then tomorrow's cruise day.
Woo! Ready?
Yeah. Very ready for it.
Very ready.
This is sitcom TV ending. See the sky, see the clouds amongst the sun. See the day for everything it could be. Stop treading on that snooze button, run. Open your eyes and see everything it was, and is and will be all at once. See the truth, don't hide from others' love. Bask inside that alarm clock bug. Wake up.
Well,
We've landed.
we made it to Miami, back in the warm, sunny state of Florida.
It's so warm in here right now.
And yeah, the AC's kicked up pretty good. But you can feel the warmth and humidity on the jetway.
Yeah.
So next stop is baggage claim. We gotta get an Uber. We gotta get to our hotel. So we will see you at the hotel. All right, we have made it to the Doubletree Hilton Grand Hotel here in Miami. This is where we're gonna be staying tonight before our cruise tomorrow. We're gonna give you a quick room tour. So we are in 764. And this is the Grand Suite. So we have a sleeping area over there. Nice little entry area. This is a nice big living room area with a pull-out sofa bed. It's a really nice area. Got your TV and dresser there, a nice little desk, and then fabulous view. I'm talking about Kelly. She's the fabulous view.
I don't know about that. It's gorgeous.
But a little deck here. It's small, but place to come out and sit. Check out the bay. This is Biscayne Bay in Miami. And you can see way over in the distance, the cruise ships are over there. So we're really close to the cruise port, and that's where we're gonna be heading out tomorrow morning on our cruise. So let me show you the bathroom here. So we booked the hotel here since I typically stay in Hilton's. We booked this Doubletree with some points. And then we were offered an upgrade. I guess they're not super busy with it being Thanksgiving Day. So, hey there. So we were able to get the upgrade, got early check-in. It is only 11:20. This is a nice big bathroom. I love the huge shower. Hey, look, Kelly, they have you a bidet. Maybe I do. So that's the grand suite. So if you do come stay at the Doubletree Biscayne Bay, so it's a Hilton Grand Hotel, very nice resort, very nice staff. They brought our bags up and everything to the room, which is really nice. So we recommend checking this place out. They've got a lot of rooms with views. You don't even have to get the grand suite to get that view. So we're gonna, I think, get changed up, go grab some lunch, and we'll probably walk around a little bit before we have to go to our dinner tonight. So yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Well, it feels like it's been a long day.
Oh, it only started at like 4:30 this morning.
Yeah, and we had our flight here to Miami. Hung out at the hotel here a little bit, walked around a little bit. We just got back to our room from having dinner with our new friends that we met from the Explorer of the Seas Facebook group.
Yes.
So that was cool. And had our Thanksgiving dinner in an Italian restaurant. So we're going to go to bed and get up tomorrow. And tomorrow's cruise day.
Woo!
So we'll be heading to the port and getting on the cruise ship. Explorer of the Seas, 2019. I'm
Sweet
exhausted.
pickles.
Sweet pickles?
Yes.
All right. Well, good night, and we will see you all in the morning.
She calling me.